Drop it.
Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple color program. Okay, so the user will be asked to enter a letter, and then it will display its equivalent color value. Here are the letters. So if the user enters capital B, uppercase, and lowercase letter b, it will display the color blue. Same goes with R, it will display red, G for green, and then Y for yellow. Other colors, unknown color. In this program, I'm going to use or include the OR operator that would validate whether the input is in uppercase or it's in lowercase. Let's look at our code. So we have here a variable. We declared it as character. So we have let, and then this one prompts the user to enter a letter. Now using the ladderized if-else statement, we're able to compare the values. Now let's look at the last section first. If the user enters a value that's not within the specified condition, what happens is that it will automatically go to the else statement and then print out unknown color. But if the user enters the corresponding or enters letters within the range that we specify, we test it here. So if let, which is our character input, is exactly equal to B, capital B, or letter is exactly equal to small letter b, then we print out blue. Take note that when we compare or when we use a character type, it must be enclosed in single quotes. Same goes on this section here. So if the user enters R, it will print out red. If the user enters G, it will print out green. And last is yellow. So let's have the output of the program. Let's run it. Okay. So let's test first the invalid color or unknown color. So let's say we press X here. So the output is unknown color. So small letter X. So let's have here an uppercase X. Same goes, it's not within our range. Now let's input now another value. This time it's within the range. So it's asking us to enter a letter, let's say G, and then it will check the if condition here. If letter is exactly equal to B or letter is exactly equal to small b, which is not, it will skip this condition here. It will skip this condition here. And then if let is exactly equal to G, which is false, or G or let, which is G is exactly equal to small g, then we print out here green. So let's test it if the output will be green. There, that's it. Okay, so same goes with the other color. Let's try now another input, but this time let's print out uppercase Y, so it should display as yellow. Okay, so here's another implementation of the if-else statement using the OR operator. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.